Alright, welcome to the Pirate Homeworld. So you just want to go straight in, and you'll be greeted with some nice bad guys. And there's a turret right here. So, take care of that, ignore the things on either side, and head on up to the 3rd floor. And you want to not go to this area, but the one down here that's a little further. Alright, and they're going to tell you to go look for some other stuff, but you can actually progress forward a little more right here. So just kind of hang out under the cove so you don't get hit by acid rain, and head to the right side. You see the glowing green on the right? Yeah, that's a grapple ledge. So just go ahead and jump up there. Alright, and you're going to come up to this fork in the path, and you want to go left. It's going to take you around where you can get a missile expansion, so pick that up, and then go back and go to the right, the other way. Alright, and once you're in this room, just help yourself to this energy tank. Not energy tank, energy cell. Big difference there. Energy tank is awesome. And with those blades stopped, you can now go through that morph ball tunnel. Alright, and in this section you're gonna face several bad guys, so just use Hypermode to take them out real quickly. And then when you come to the end of this hall, use your grapple thing to open up a morph ball tunnel. And then on this time you want to go to the right immediately after you get off the elevator. Get you a nice missile expansion. And then just go back and go the other way. in this room, just use your secret missiles to unlock this next pickup.